Have you ever questioned some of the reviews you might read when you go to a business's website? Let's talk about that. I'm Sandeep, and this is your digital marketing moment. A lot of businesses out there have websites and they post customer reviews on their websites, under a page that's called testimonials or about us, right? And the goal here is to convey to their potential clients out there how their existing clients feel about them, right? What kind of experience their existing clients are having, and they want to share how awesome they are or how awesome their clients feel about them in hopes of enticing you to become a new customer of theirs. The problem with this approach is authenticity, right? When you own your website, you can post anything you want on their website. You can make up a review, right? So as a website viewer, it's really tough to know whether the business is being truthful or not with these reviews that they're sharing, right? So this is where review sites like Google and Facebook have really made it a lot easier for consumers to figure out whether reviews are actually authentic. Now, you're thinking, how do I make these authentic reviews work on my website, right? Because not everyone's gonna hit your Google My Business listing to see your reviews, or not everyone's gonna see your Facebook page to see your reviews. One quick win you can have is start getting your customers to leave the reviews on Google instead of your website or instead of by email to you. What you can do is you can actually insert reviews or embed reviews directly from Google onto your website. And Google's got its branding on there. People can click on the reviews to open them up in Google. So you're mitigating the risk or the thought of people doubting your reviews by showing them that they're actually directly from Google, right? And if you want to share reviews that are on Facebook, link people to your Facebook page, specifically to the review section. So you make it super easy for them to access and view those awesome reviews that you might have on Facebook about your business. I'm Sandeep, and that's your digital marketing moment for this week. See you next time.